Hello everyone, we are here in Westbury Nursery in Berkeley, California to do some succulents and cactus identification. At the entrance of the nursery are colorful begonias, and although these are not succulents, the colors are so delightful that it is worth sharing with you guys too. Towards the end of this video, I'm also sharing with you a DIY decor idea for this year's Thanksgiving because I'm always very excited for the holidays. I took the time to create this succulent identification since we all want to know our succulents better. So with these names, you'll be able to research their specific care needs. I think you can guess what's going through my mind right now. I'm just wishing to take all of them home. Just look at this barrel cactus and this monkey tail. I just had to stroke this fluffy one, and you won't get pricked as long as you remember to stroke upwards. This is definitely going to be a succulent haul because I'm taking some of them home. I think we've all done this, going to Home Depot or Lowe's for a bag of cactus oil, and it ended up to be a haul. So this succulent identification is definitely fast turning into a succulent haul. And please comment down below if you're one of the guilty ones. So what's your favorite succulent? Are you a cactus person? Or maybe a crassula or a crassula fan? Or a rosette succulent person? Or maybe a sedum person? Maybe an aeonium person? Or an agave person? How about aloes like these guys right here? Or haworthias like this mini rock and succulent garden. Or maybe a combination of pointy ones like haworthias, aloes, and cacti. Like my little Arizona-inspired rock garden. Or every succulent out there kind of person like me. Please comment it because I'm really curious to know. Now going back to the nursery. This lithop made me laugh because my son called it butulent. And these butulents or lithops are coming home with me. Going to nurseries is just always a fun experience all the time. Like all of these are in my wish list. And yes, you too green split rock and you propeller plant. All of these chubby succulents are coming home with me. I'm also excited to share with you this agave ismensis mediopicta alba because it is pushing forth 2 new pups between the leaves. Common name is dwarf butterfly agave because this little agave only grows up to 4 inches in height. Let's walk over now to the sedums and the rosettes. Who can resist sedums with the tiniest leaves? I know I can't. Look, I love the lime green hue. Next are more sedums, crassulas or crassulas, aeoniums, and more sedums. More cute tiny leaves. And here's a little missy. Look at just how cute this is. I'm putting my finger really close so that you guys can see how tiny the leaves are on these sedums. And here's one of everyone's all-time favorite, the donkey tail. And this sedum tiny urchin is coming home with me too. And since the string of pearls is on my list, I'm bringing this home too. And more gorgeous rosette shapes. One of my first loves are definitely the rosettes. And by the way, I'm actually using that string of pearls in one of my future projects. And of course, I'll be creating and sharing that video with you guys real soon too. So please make sure to click on that subscribe button if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any future projects or videos. And the panda ears, I love how soft these guys are. And here's another lovely one that's really hard to resist. You really should add this crassula pictorata or the tiger jade on your wish list. And here are more gorgeous and really impressive rosettes. And today my message for you is this, that a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Have you counted your blessings today? Always count your blessings because there is always something to be thankful for all the time. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for not just watching my videos, but for liking them, for commenting, subscribing, and sharing them too. And speaking of gratitude, since fall starts next week, here is my first Thanksgiving decor for 2018. And I also bought pumpkin spice wax melts to further bring in the scents of the holidays. And in case you want to know where I bought these pieces, they're from Michael's and Dollar Tree. And again, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Thank you. This is Sheila again, your person on a mission for succulent fame, sending inspirations your way with every succulent. Remember to subscribe and share this video.